Krishnaveni, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Guys, please let me know किसने assignment कर लिया है before I start pointing out one by one. I'm assuming Himani, it means कि आपने 70% कर लिया है. Whatever is done, please screen share करके start करो.
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing.
Sure. Next to Himani, Narpender, have you done? Sumit, Krishnaveni, and Pragya, have you guys done your assignment?
Yes, ma'am, but two I did, ma'am. Little confused. After my assignment, I will ask you, ma'am.
Sure. Okay, that's why assignment was given. Okay. What about Sumit and Pragya? Guys, if you cannot unmute and answer, please answer in the chat. Narpender, why isn't the assignment done? Can you let me know, please? Until when can I expect the assignment?
Hello, can you
Yes.
hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. Actually, some problem in my earphones.
No problem.
I have done assignment of 2 pages.
Okay. Okay, no problem. हिमानी के बाद कृष्णवेणी, you show yours. उसके बाद सुमित and then Pragya. ठीक है? And Narpender, no, I want it by next class, which is on Wednesday.
Shall I start, ma'am?
Yeah, go ahead. Everybody can hear and see Himani's screen, right? Can hear her voice as well.
Okay, so this is an education platform that is known as Mind Power Education, which they are providing different of IT courses and different type of activities. So this is the main home page. So I think ma'am told us to find out the best keywords that they have mentioned in first 100 words. So when I just check this complete blog and our homepage, so I just able to see this word class training word is the main word that is seems as a keyword, but I'm not sure like is it be correct for my end or not, but it can be possible I'm wrong as well. So as I can read this complete paragraph, so in this one I can see only the word class training. So if I'll show you my others, this is the first project I did. And if I'm talking about second one that we are already learning here. So in this platform, I have seen the main word is best digital marketing school in Gurgaon. So this is the main keyword that is used in this blog, how to avoid them in our institute. And if I'll talk about my third project, so this here it is a one school in Gurgaon. So if I'll talk about this school, so the main keyword they have mentioned is best CBSE affiliated school in Gurgaon. So in first home page, so I can see these main keywords regarding this, but I'm not sure like how we can find other keywords and all. So I can able to see some name related to best keyword, good quality words, and like this only I can able to understand. And if I'm talking about, there was one more project that was related to urban text. So urban text, I was not able to do a lot of work on that one, but I did few points. So let me show you. Is it urban text or text urban? Who gave the this profile? Can you please say the name again? I think Sumit gave, no? Sumit, can you please tell the site? Tex Urban. I understood. Fine. Sorry. That name as Tex Urban. So this
Text
is the
server.
I understood. Huh. Tex Urban. So in the home page, they have mentioned this keyword that is income tax, but ma'am told us to do it on about us page or service page. So if I'll write this, sir, firstly I did work out on home page only. If I want to write on this page, so how I will write the first headline, I will try to write like this: welcome to Tex Urban, your premium text, your premium tax consultant. After that, I will write providing best financial service in Northeast India. So I can change this line to my word, that is the best financial service in Northeast India. So
What
this
is the primary and the secondary keyword for the tax urban one? The homepage.
on the homepage, primary is this one, ma'am, income tax, and secondary will be the best financial service in Northeast India.
ठीक है. Okay.
Okay, and I did not try to do workout on these things about service and blog, and on contact page, I'm clearly not able to understand how I can add the keywords and all. But I have gone through some websites where they are just mentioning like if how to contact us, like if you want to contact, like if I wanted to change in this one, so I can write like contact for best services in this area, or like that, contact for premium services, like this I can add, but I'm not sure is it correct or not. That's it from my end.
Okay. Let's start from the beginning. शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. जो सबसे पहला स्क्रीनशॉट आपने वो माइंड बूस्टर अकेडमी whatever that is उसका दिखाया था. Open that. Yes. Everybody else, please unmute yourself. Want everybody to answer. World class training is the right keyword or not? Everybody. Krishnaveni, Pragya, guys, please, I cannot point out एक करके. Please answer. And unmute कर लो सब. I don't want anybody to be muted. बताओ world class training is the
yes,
right
ma'am.
keyword or not?
World class training.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the correct primary keyword.
Himani,
I think also same.
Himani, go to browser and open Google. Type world class training here. Type your keyword here that you got there. Scroll down. क्या आपको एक भी ऐसा रिजल्ट दिख रहा है जो आपके सर्विस से रिलेटेड है? Anybody?
मैम यही है IT, they are also doing in IT and business management training.
Yes, ma'am.
तो
They are
वर्ल्ड
same.
क्लास
Keyword.
ट्रेनिंग एक दूसरे बिजनेस का नाम है. Can I understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it the right thing to use some other brand का name as a keyword? अगर
Didn't
कोई
understand, ma'am.
अगर कोई भी वर्ड या फिर कोई भी टर्म किसी भी ब्रांड का नेम है, इज इट राइट टू यूज इन योर ब्लॉग?
No, I think so. No,
ओके, व्हाई?
because there is the brand name. Google not accept that. I think. Yeah, it's a
Himani,
brand
what do you
name.
think?
Ma'am,
Like
if we will write other, sorry, please you go ahead.
no, you can. I
Okay.
said my answer.
Okay, so I was thinking like if I will say, if I will write main keyword in my website, then it will not offer my website. It will go to the other website first. Then it will confuse my customer, and I will divert my customer to the other website only.
करेक्ट. ऑल्सो एक और बात समझो. इज वर्ल्ड क्लास ट्रेनिंग a service that you are providing, or the या जो आपके सर्विसेज का जो what do you call it, is a kind of a byproduct of your service? वर्ल्ड क्लास ट्रेनिंग इज हाउ योर ट्रेनिंग्स आर, राइट? वो आपकी कोई स्पेसिफिक सर्विस थोड़ी है. अगर आप में से किसी को भी, देयर आर लेट्स से 4 people here, 5 people here, if any of you needs IT or whatever courses Himani ka website is offering, are you going to search for world class training?
नहीं.
बताओ.
No. No.
राइट. तो हम क्या
Yes.
सर्च करेंगे? Are we going to search world class training, or we are going to search directly by the name of the training that she is offering?
IT training first, I think.
Direct the name.
Ma'am, एक
Correct.
minute. I need to mute myself. Just a minute. You can carry on, ma'am. I will mute myself.
Great. Next, agar now when we are talking of about us, right? Himani, you need to share screen so people can see and understand what I'm talking about. Share the same paragraph. Now that we are talking about mind power education ka about us, should we write, let's say, what does it provides, Himani? What kind of courses are they? IT and business management or what?
Ma'am, IT and business management only. Digital marketing and all these things.
Screen
Okay.
not visible, ma'am.
Screen share karo Himani.
Oh my God.
Okay. Now, if it is offering business and digital marketing training courses, Pragya, can I write Mind Power Education is one of the best is one of the best places for, या फिर is a best provider or best academy for, digital marketing courses? Can I write this? अगर आप कभी भी जाके सर्च कर रहे हो तो are you going to search best academy for digital marketing courses, right? Or online
Yes.
classes for business management? So can I use those two keywords here?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am,
Himani,
you can. Yes.
Yes.
Himani, if you understand what I'm trying to do,
मैम वो मुझे समझ आया था कि हम जो वर्ड यूज करते हैं बेस्ट ट्रेनिंग एंड ऑल, बट आई वाज ट्राई टू फाइंड कि इसने मेन कीवर्ड क्या
जरूरी
यूज.
नहीं है ना कि हर बार हर जगह पे कीवर्ड हो.
हाँ हाँ, वही ना, वो वही
Yes,
मेरे को लग रहा था कि मतलब
correct.
मुझे वो नहीं मिला, बट तो मैंने ट्राई किया कि कुछ कुछ नहीं है तो एटलीस्ट कुछ तो मिले.
सबको समझ में आ गया? Everybody, any doubts?
Yes, ma'am, understood, ma'am.
Himani, next.
Is it visible?
Yes. Okay. Is this the entire thing और इसमें या फिर और भी कंटेंट है?
मैम और भी था कंटेंट, तो मेरे को वेबसाइट पे
Yes.
जाना पड़ेगा उसके लिए.
Okay, don't. Guys, anybody किसी और को लग रहा है कि कोई और कीवर्ड है? बताओ. Everybody thinks this is the right keyword or you want to add something else?
Like social media.
Okay. Like performance marketing, but ये specific keywords नहीं होंगे ना? Himani,
Yes.
go and search performance marketing एक बार, or social media, whatever.
सोशल मीडिया तो नहीं होगा मैम, दिस इज द कॉमन वर्ड जो हर कोई यूज.
Performance marketing.
मार्केटिंग खाली लिखना है.
बस performance marketing, that's it. Can you don't go down and see what all things are coming at performance marketing?
Lot of academies like courses coming.
Correct. But इसमें blogs आ रहे हैं usually,
Mm.
right? So performance marketing is a very broad keyword. Now if you go
Yes.
on Google Keyword Planner and put performance marketing, तो इसके बहुत सारे searches होंगे, right?
Exactly.
Definitely not performance marketing. We need to be a little bit of specific about what we are wanting to do. ठीक है? Imani,
Yes.
share the third one. Can you see on the right YouTube video के नीचे, और forget it. Guys, apart from Imani, इसमें और कौन से keywords हैं जिसको दिख रहे हैं? बताओ। जो हिमानी ने मार्क करा है उसके अलावा किसी को कुछ कीवर्ड्स दिख रहे हैं?
Quality education.
No, that's not a service, that's a byproduct. किसी को भी नहीं दिख रहा? प्रज्ञा, नरपेंद्र, सुमित? यूट्यूब वीडियो के नीचे दिख रहा है किसी को बेस्ट सीबीएसई स्कूल इन गुड़गांव? हिमानी, मार्क दैट. Himani, are you there?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm not able to attend through laptop, ma'am. I'm in mobile now. I'm attending my class through mobile.
That's okay.
Do-
That's fine.
Ma'am, give me a few minutes. Let me check.
Yeah. Okay, Krishnaveni, that's okay. Would you be able to share your assignment?
Oh, okay, ma'am. I will share, but through mobile I can't, ma'am. It's in laptop my working.
Sure. Laptop, so you can just share your screen. That's okay. Speak through your phone.
Okay.
Okay. Pragya, share your assignment, please. Till Imani comes back.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm really sorry. There was an urgent call.
No problem, Imani. Please share screen quickly.
Okay. Still pending.
Already half of the class. We need to complete everybody else's.
Yeah, yeah. Anything left, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. We are on this page.
इसमें कोई और कीवर्ड्स दिख रहे हैं हिमानी, आपको या और किसी को?
मैम, मुझे ये दिख रहा है टॉप सीबीएसई स्कूल इन गुड़गांव.
I cannot see your screen एक तो पहले. I can see your started screen sharing, but not really.
Yes, ma'am.
एक मिनट. Is it visible, ma'am?
No. बाकी को विजिबल है क्या?
No, ma'am.
It's showing from my end. I'm not sure. Ma'am, I'm trying one more time last. Otherwise, you can go. Is it visible now?
No.
Mom, you can check with someone else. In the end, I can continue.
Pragya, share your screen, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes.
Here my project is of Tata Mutual Fund.
Hmm.
Here it is the blog of Tata Ethical Fund, and I think it is the primary keyword. And
Okay.
Tata Ethical Fund is also happening here. And one more primary keyword is Shara compliant investment. And Shara funds is the primary keyword. These two keywords are the primary keywords in this blog.
Okay. What are the secondary keywords?
Secondary keywords are like long-term financial goals.
Okay. How many times is long-term financial goals coming? Copy करो long-term financial goals को. Search it. No, not that search. Go back. Go back. Go back. Press Control plus F. Control plus F. Yes. It's just coming one time, so it cannot be a secondary keyword. Pragya.
Okay.
This Sharia compliant mutual fund is a primary keyword or a secondary keyword?
Maybe it is the primary keyword because the whole blog is about this only.
इस पे आओ, ये जो सेकंड हेडिंग दिख रही है, व्हाट इज अ शारिया कंप्लायंट म्यूचुअल फंड, इसमें सेलेक्ट करो शारिया कंप्लायंट म्यूचुअल फंड को, एंड नाउ देखो ये कितनी बार आ रहा है. प्रेस कंट्रोल प्लस एफ. सर्च.
But
कैन यू से इट इज द प्राइमरी और द सेकेंडरी कीवर्ड?
ma'am, it is the secondary.
गाइस, हिमानी कृष्णवेनी, आंसर प्लीज.
Yes, ma'am.
What other can be the one of the other keywords?
I think ये primary होना चाहिए ना, क्योंकि ज़्यादा बार repeat हो रहा है.
तो सेकेंडरी
More,
क्या?
yes, more than 2 times, more than 1 time.
नहीं, दैट इज ओके, बट फिर प्राइमरी कीवर्ड क्या होगा? और या फिर अगर ये प्राइमरी तो सेकेंडरी क्या होगा?
हमें पूरा scroll करके ऊपर देखना पड़ेगा. Can you scroll please?
Guys, take 5 minutes and let me know quickly.
Can you scroll down? एक बार आप ये सर्च कर सकते हैं, टाटा एथिकल फंड्स कितनी बार आ रहा है? Enter please.
It 16 times.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
पता लगा guys? Anybody? Or we shall move forward. Pragya, ये link भेज दो group chat में so everybody can see.
Okay, ma'am.
Next. Pragya, next article.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम क्या हुआ उसका, वो जो आर्टिकल दिखा रहे थे?
भेजा है उसने आप लोगों को. You are going to search it.
मैम हमने गो थ्रू कर लिया है.
That's okay. एक बार सबका quickly देख लें पहले.
ओके फाइन.
नहीं तो आज की क्लास ही निकल जाएगी.
Ma'am, I studied one more. Its blog about the arbitrage funds. And I think the primary keywords are those keywords which for which basic purpose of the blog, like this is written for the arbitrage fund, then this is the primary keyword in this blog. And there is also hyperlink of this keyword. And your Tata mutual funds and Tata mutual fund is the secondary keyword. Maybe it is the secondary one. And arbitrage is the primary keyword in this whole page. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. Any other article? Tax urban का किया?
No, मैम टैक्स अर्बन का सर्च करे थे बट समझ नहीं आया उसमें क्या हो सकता है.
No problem. ठीक है. स्क्रीन शेयर बंद कर दो. सुमित, start.
मेरा लैपटॉप में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, मैं शेयर नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ। मैं इसे मोबाइल में कनेक्ट कर लिया, हो ही नहीं रही, बार बार डिस्कनेक्ट हो जा रही।
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्लास में देखना कि आप शेयर कर पाओ.
ठीक है।
कृष्णवेनी, गो अहेड.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this I'm audible, ma'am.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah. This is about a search for the resorts, ma'am. I saw this primary keyword about the best luxury resorts in Hyderabad.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
But I'm not, yeah. I searched for, there is, in their blog, I searched a primary keyword about this one. I did one, ma'am. And another one about that resort only. They used top luxury resorts in Hyderabad also.
Okay. And can you see they have also used the brand keyword?
Yes, brand keyword, yes, and local SEO using
Okay.
Hyderabad. Yes, this is a local area.
Okay. What else?
Yeah, and one more using Prayag. I did one, ma'am. This is a courses for digital marketing about our academy only, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Best platforms for courses. This is the primary keyword for our academy.
Mm-hmm.
One more best digital marketing institute in Gurgaon. This one also.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, one more. I chose. One second. For artificial intelligence courses for our academy only, they are using like artificial intelligence courses, man. There is no best top like that. This is the primary keyword I saw in this.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. This much I did. After that, I tried for Myntra, ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm lot of confused about that. Well, one second, I will show you. Second, ma'am. I searched for ma'am best perfumes online.
Mm-hmm.
I went for as a user. I went for this. Then in blogs I searched for this keyword. There is no keywords I found, ma'am. Everything like this. You said no, ma'am. If you saw in blogs, it will show keywords.
Mm.
If I open this about this perfumes, there is not really any related words there. I didn't understand what is this. I searched for best perfumes. I selected Mintra. I went in blog links. There is no like a perfume like anything. If you see, ma'am, direct to their wrote blogs, but
Mm-hmm.
there is no keywords. There is perfume also. There is no, ma'am, for main heading also.
But you are saying that when you search for keywords, they are appearing.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Exactly. So
Okay,
little
I'll
bit
tell you
confused
how it
about these,
is.
ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, I'll tell you what it is. First of
Yeah.
all, Myntra gets a lot of traffic.
Yes, ma'am.
That is why it is very credible and trusted.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is one of the main reasons why it is appearing.
Yes, ma'am.
Number two,
Not
there is a hold on. Number two, there is also a way which you don't need to learn for now, but you just need to know that there is also a way by which they embed keywords in the backend, जिससे वो आगे नहीं शो होते हैं, but they are there, right?
okay.
There is a
Okay.
setting जिससे आप एक content लिख सकते हो and उसको एक पेज पे hide कर सकते हो. Again, as I said, you don't need to know it now because it is a very different scenario in its own. पहले you have to make your website इतना credible and trustable कि जो keywords हैं वो बिना show हुए ही rank कर जाए. ठीक है?
Okay.
Myntra
Okay.
has been doing it for years now,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So अभी के लिए you don't need to know it. All that you
Hmm.
need to know is that there are ways that just so you can embed keywords in the backend in such a way that they are not visible, but they are still used for ranking.
Okay, that's why, ma'am. I have the doubt about that. Lot of e-commerce website like that only, ma'am.
Correct, correct.
Yes, I saw today a lot of searches I did, but I'm not satisfied about that because I'm searching for the primary keyword, but I'm not getting anywhere.
Understandable.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What else?
Thank
Any other doubts? Tags,
you.
urban stuff?
No, I didn't. Yeah. That one I will do on. I will show you on next week.
Guys, tags urban किसी ने भी नहीं किया है. I want you guys to do that today and show me in the next class, please.
Yes, sir.
I'm not going to take it forward unless I get the tax keyword, tax urban by you.
Okay.
Krishnaveni, anything else? That's it?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. My work is this one.
Himani, try sharing your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Is it visible?
Krishnaveni, बंद कर दो. नहीं यार, all that we can see is just a black screen. Maybe leave and join again.
Okay, ma'am. Join.
Krishnaveni, you can stop sharing, yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Stop.
I'm assuming Sumit and Shan are the same people, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Please make sure you are sharing your screen in the next class.
Okay. Today some internet problem. That's why.
Yeah, that's okay. I'm just telling, okay? Guys, let Himani join in 2 minutes. So now you're all clear with the keywords. How do you place and how do you choose the keywords, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Himani, we can see your screen. हाँ यार, इसको इस पूरे पैराग्राफ में दोनों में किसी को भी कीवर्ड्स नहीं दिख रहे। बताओ गाइस, जो जो दिख रहे हैं।
सॉरी, आई वाज ऑन म्यूट। मैं ये बोल रही थी कि एक तो ये है जो जो हाईलाइट किया हुआ है, और दूसरा टॉप सीबीएसई स्कूल इन गुड़गांव।
मार्क करो। बाकी लोगों बताओ।
मार्क कैसे होगा? मैम स्निपिंग करके फिर से मार्क करना पड़ेगा, ऐसे नहीं होता है।
ठीक है, और कीवर्ड्स बताओ।
और है
फर्स्ट लाइन पढ़ो, सूरज स्कूल इज द बेस्ट।
There is all activities like that, ma'am. Academics.
सेकंड, इधर जो सेकंड सेक्शन में जो है यूट्यूब वीडियो के जस्ट नीचे, उसकी फर्स्ट लाइन पढ़ो।
ये तो है ही है, बेस्ट सीबीएसई स्कूल इन गुड़गांव, और देन टॉप सीबीएसई स्कूल इन गुड़गांव।
ओके, what else? Do you see the word Surat school again used again and again?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Suraj School, yes, ma'am.
सूरज ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल, सूरज स्कूल, सूरज स्कूल। ये देखो हिमानी, कम ऑन द लेफ्ट। जो ये सेकंड पैराग्राफ है, टुडे वी कैन से विद द पावर ऑफ कन्विक्शन। हिमानी, रीड दिस पैराग्राफ लाउडली प्लीज, एंटायरली।
Today we can say with the power of conviction and empirical evidence that Surat School is synonymous with producing best result over the year in all the streams. Education at Surat School is regarded as
पॉज। एक पैराग्राफ में कितने लाइंस हैं? 6 लाइंस में कितनी बार सूरज स्कूल रिपीट हो रहा है?
2 times.
सबको देखा?
2 times, ma'am.
Now do you see what they are trying to do?
Yes.
They are repeating the brand name again and again. So that means they are not using it as a keyword but a brand name, ताकि अगर कल को कोई सूरज स्कूल भी सर्च करे, so they should come at the top.
Yes.
Does that make sense?
तो मैम यहाँ पर प्राइमरी कीवर्ड क्या होगा और सेकेंडरी क्या होगा? प्राइमरी सूरज स्कूल रहेगा।
No, best.
आपने ये पहली बात तो पूरा नहीं लिया है, तो वी कैन नॉट सी द नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स इट इज अपीयरिंग. You will have to make it out from the number of times it is appearing.
मैम मैं ओपन कर देती हूँ, 1 मिनट लगेगा. One, two, three, four, five, six. 6 टाइम आ रहा मैम.
Okay. बाकी के जो 3 कीवर्ड्स हमने देखे वो ढूंढ लो.
बेस्ट वाला 3 टाइम आ रहा है. आई थिंक वही है मैम, प्राइमरी वाला. सूरज
Okay.
को.
And what about the other ones? वो कितने बार है?
वो 3 टाइम्स है बेस्ट वाला.
Can we
Best is
say?
right.
एक
Can we
मिनट.
say सूरज स्कूल इज, मतलब सूरज स्कूल और उनके अलावा एक और प्राइमरी है और बाकी 2 सेकेंडरी हैं?
It's a brand keyword, ma'am.
हम्म.
In my perception, best CBSE school is the primary. They're using for brand Suraj School.
Yeah, definitely for brand they are using सूरज.
Yes.
गुरुग्राम 1 2 3. बाकी 3 टाइम यूज हो रहे हैं बेस्ट. ये वाला बेस्ट सीबीएसई एफिलेटेड स्कूल है नो. सो ये तो सेकेंडरी होना चाहिए ना मैम.
सॉरी.
ये वाला जो है सूरज स्कूल एज अ प्राइमरी कीवर्ड होना चाहिए ना, और ये जो है वो सेकेंडरी होना चाहिए क्योंकि ये 3 टाइम्स यूज हो रहा है.
You don't know if
My
it is
perception.
2 primary or 2 secondary keywords, right? We are just trying to take an estimate. जब आप पूरे वेबसाइट का एक गो थ्रू करोगे तब शायद आपको एक और क्लैरिटी मिलेगी.
In my perception, ma'am, best CBSE school is the primary keyword because
हम्म.
directly we can't type like Suraj school. If we know
Yeah.
about that, we can go through that. No, we don't know actually what we want the best schools in Gurgaon. So
हम्म.
we'll search first primary keyword like best CBSE. No, ma'am. Directly we can't type like Suraj school.
हम्म.
I think second that is
Right.
Suraj school is not the primary keyword. I think.
Correct.
Yeah.
Anybody else has any kind of thing? ठीक है. देखो, सूरत स्कूल इज एक्चुअली अ ब्रांड कीवर्ड विच दे आर ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू टारगेट एज अ प्राइमरी कीवर्ड. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे वांट पीपल टू डायरेक्टली सर्च विद देयर नेम सूरत स्कूल. ठीक है. नंबर 2, हमको अभी पता नहीं है कि कौन सा प्राइमरी है कौन सा सेकेंडरी. when we go through other pages in the website, when we audit the website, इसको कॉपी करो हिमानी. कॉपी दिस वेबसाइट. सिर्फ वेबसाइट अबाउट अबाउट कॉपी मत करो.
हाँ जी, डन.
एक नया टैब खोलो और एसईओ ऑफ टाइमर पे जाओ जिससे हमने एसईओ ऑडिट करी थी, याद है?
Yes, ma'am.
SEO optimer. SEO.
SEO.
यस, हमने SEO ऑडिट करी थी स्टूल से मानी. SEO optimer. OP. या और टाइप SEO ऑडिट. दैट्स ओके. टाइप SEO ऑडिट. ऑडिट नहीं, ऑडिट, बस ऑडिट, ऑडिटर नहीं.
Audit.
Scroll down. First one. Put the website here. Remove this about part. पर्टिकुलर पेज का लिंक डालोगे वो ठीक है, चलो लेट इट डू.
ओके, पर्टिकुलर पेज के लिए तो फिर वो पर्टिकुलर पेज का ही करेगा, अदरवाइज हमें पूरा करना होगा, राइट?
गो डाउन. कीप गोइंग डाउन. एक सेक्शन आएगा कीवर्ड्स वाला. यस, चलो यहाँ पे कीवर्ड्स दिखे नहीं है, ठीक है. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन ट्राई फाइंडिंग अदर कीवर्ड्स. इसको गूगल कीवर्ड प्लानर पे लेके जाना, ठीक है. स्क्रॉल डाउन फ्रेज वाले कीवर्ड्स में. नहीं, दिस इज नॉट कमिंग, फॉरगेट इट. दिस नॉट गिविंग एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट, ठीक है. आज क्या करना, आज आफ्टर द क्लास इसको गूगल कीवर्ड प्लानर पे लेके जाना और देखना ये किसके कौन कौन से कीवर्ड है, और फिर मुझे बताना, ठीक है.
You mean, ma'am, सूरज स्कूल का क्या क्या कीवर्ड्स they used, ma'am?
यस, हमने
Okay.
देखा था ना गूगल कीवर्ड
हाँ.
प्लानर. देयर वाज एन ऑप्शन जहाँ पे
Yes, yes.
वेबसाइट यू कैन गेट द कीवर्ड्स. हिमानी, डू यू रिमेम्बर?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, दैट्स प्रीटी मच इट गाइस. थैंक यू सो मच. आई होप कंटेंट वाला पार्ट इज क्लियर. थोड़ा बहुत जो बचा है वील कवर ऑन वेडनेसडे. ऑल्सो प्लीज
you.
मेक श्योर कि अर्बन टैक्स वाला होमवर्क, असाइनमेंट, व्हाटएवर यू कॉल इट, आई नीड इट ऑन वेडनेसडे. दिस
Okay,
इज
ma'am.
फॉर एवरीबडी.
मैम उसमें एक
मैं
मिनट
प्रज्ञा, everybody.
उसमें करना क्या एग्जैक्टली? कीवर्ड सर्च करना है या कीवर्ड बनाना है हमें कि क्या कीवर्ड असाइन होना चाहिए?
I need keywords that are already used on the home page, about us, and the services page. Also, if you were to give the keywords for these 3 pages, तो आप क्या कीवर्ड देते? एंड कौन सा कीवर्ड प्राइमरी में यूज करते, कौन सा सेकेंडरी में, और कितनी बार यूज करते? एन एंटायर काइंड ऑफ अ कीवर्ड मैप, ठीक है.
ओके मैम.
Okay, guys. See you on Wednesday. Thank you so much. Have a lovely evening. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
And
Bye, Pragya.